And see, it's just a pretty brown, gray taupey brown on a day that I feel kind of gray taupey. Maybe that's it. Maybe that's what it is. Okay, so now I'm going to use my E20 short shader, and we're going to use that dark color and a little spit. It's only my spit for those who are just watching. I do not share brushes or shadows or anything. I don't share my makeup. That doesn't mean I don't share. If you want my makeup, I'll go buy you your own brand new set of whatever you like. Just going to reinforce that line of hairs. And if I wanted to, I could go through my brow. But I kind of feel like my brows are enough today. Are they? Just a way to kind of reinforce the color. And my brow shape is weird today. One's going kind of more up. And the other one is not. So, and this one is the one that's going up a little too high, I think. But beware, because once you do that, once you fix that, you can't fix it again unless you start over. I don't feel like it. So this is right on the lash line. Like literally you're dragging the color through the lashes. What it's doing is it's filling in between the lashes when you do this. So it is a true liner. And I am done. So that is the eyeshadow look. I am going to blend it out. And this is with a tapered blending brush E35. These are all Sigma brushes. Y'all know I'm a huge Sigma fan, even though I'm not affiliate. Isn't that just stupid? They probably would make me an affiliate once they looked at these videos and said, you know, she almost exclusively. If I had my pencil brush, I would have used that instead of the Morphe brush. She almost exclusively promotes our brand. And I have a lot of Sigma. I have every single, like I started off with their pink set. Then I went to silver. Then I went and bought the whole gold plated. That's 18 karat gold, I think is, or is it 24? 18 karat gold, I think. And then I think they were, I don't know if they discontinued, but I just remember I couldn't get certain ones. So then I bought the copper. And in between there, I bought some little travel buddies and kabukis. They had some travel kabukis. I bought those, Princess Grace one. And then I think they discontinued that. I hate when things that I like get discontinued. It just makes me so mad. Did y'all see that I got this little, I love pink crystals. I just think they're pretty. And this is on rose gold, and it is either a bag, it could be a handbag tag, charm bag, or whatever you want to put on there, or a keychain. I know people are just like, Beth, no, you did not seriously get another keychain. When you have a keychain holder for keychains, who has that? I do. For those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, watch more of my videos, would you? I had someone ask me the other day how to apply mascara. I'm like, you clearly don't love me. You don't watch my videos. I do how to apply mascara almost every tutorial, like I'm fixing to do right now. And I'm trying to decide if I'm going to film it or not. Maybe they're thinking, well, you say that, but then you don't put them up. I do. There's so many get ready with me's. It's kind of insane. But I'm usually showing you a new palette. So first of all, you curl your lashes. Always curl your lashes. Unless you've got super curly eyelashes and you don't need to. And that's not many people. And you basically just lay the eyelash curler metal, that piece of metal you see, right on your lid. And just apply a little pressure and the little lashes will pop right up. And that's when you clamp down. And it will put it in an L position like this. And then you can do that once or you can do that twice. I like to do that twice because I really like the curl to stay, so much so that I will only use what? Waterproof mascara. So we're going to do it again. We're going to stay in the L position, put it right there. They popped right up. The reason I do it twice, y'all, is usually in the second pass you get lashes you didn't get in the first pass. Or the crimping that you're doing, putting it in this, you know, they were like that and you're putting them straight up. That crimping position, you want to kind of change it out. You don't want it to be like, but maybe a little more like, Yep, I'm really good at doing this. Okay, so anyway, so just say I didn't just actually undo that. Then I'm going to let it out a little bit. And then curl them back more. You have to lift your elbow to do this. And I've gone from this to this. I'm now curling them back towards the crease. And if you'll see, I'm bouncing it a little. I don't know why I do that. Some people do it real quickly. I don't. I hold it. Okay, so I'm going back over here. Whoops. See, I'm just going to lay it there and then push. And they pop right up. And so I'm doing my second pass at L instead of C. There's L and there's C. L for lashes, C for curl. Oh my gosh, I just made that up. L for lashes, which is where we are right now. And then what am I going to do? Let it out at the base. Just let you open it up and let it out. Just a little. You remove the metal and then you crimp it back down. And now you're C for a curl. And I have no way to wipe this off. I'm going to need a makeup wipe to wipe this off. So I have makeup wipes in here. I used to. What's happening to me? I used to be so prepared for in here. Yep. Yep. If you use tissue, it just gets stuff all over it. This is what I'm telling you don't want to have happen. Do you see the mascara line, the eyeliner line right there? And eyeshadow. So now it's caked on there. I shouldn't have even put that on my eyes. And because it is caked on there, you are going to have to get a makeup remover wipe to get that off. Which honestly, that's probably good today because you should do that every so often anyway. Y'all, my little nails are just like peeling. They're just peeling off. So what mascara am I using today? Maybelline Rocket. Volume Express. I love it. Listen to that. Okay. We're going to tip out the lashes. That's what you do first. Squint and look down into a mirror so you do not get it all over your crease in there. Get all the tips of your lashes. I just had a little something pop on my nose. We'll get it. Then comb it through. Starting on the outer, where you're going towards the ear, and then go straight up, and then go towards the nose with the tip end. And that is first pass. Now some people, that's all they want. And that's fine. Wiggle, wiggle, down. Wiggle, wiggle, down. Wiggle, wiggle. The wiggle, wiggle, the reason we do that is it gets the mascara on either side of the eyelash. And what you're doing down here, the first pass, is you're just getting a lot of product on the lash at the base. It also will often get on the skin right underneath, and it will give you a natural liner look. There was another brush I thought I brought in here. Did I not bring it in here? What's my problem? Oh my gosh. Okay, so swirl it around. Don't ever go in and out, in and out. That takes air down in there and dries your mascara out. Swirl it around in there. It's on the sides anyway. It's a cream. Okay. Squint looking down into a mirror. Whether it's a compact, a handheld, this little thing. And look down into it and just tip the ends. That's what you always do first. Tip the ends. And I mean tip them good. Okay, then you change it to combing it through. Get that real good. I feel like I didn't get enough mascara on the one. Especially that's a real curly lash for me, and I like to really make it stand out. So I'm going to tip it really good. And then you're coming towards the ear, and then you're getting more towards straight up. Go slowly because you're actually dragging the product through the comb. And it combs away excess. While it's adding it, it also subtracts it. And then point towards the nose. The reason you do the pointing towards the nose and ear is that you get a more fanned effect that way. And that is what makes it so pretty. Yes. It makes it very pretty. Then you're going to wiggle, wiggle down, wiggle down, down, wiggle, wiggle down, wiggle down, down, wiggle, wiggle down, wiggle down, down, wiggle, wiggle down, wiggle, down, down. I slow way down. Some people go really fast. And somehow they're not messy. I don't know. They must be like true makeup artists. I'm not. I'm just a girl who likes makeup. Okay. So that's first pass on both eyes. So for some of you, that's enough. You're like, Beth, I don't want any heavier than that, and I wouldn't have done that dark color in the crease. To each his own. Do you make it how you like, ladies? I got a boo-boo right there. There, got it. Okay, and I have something, there it is. I knew I had one flick. Had a little eyelash come out right there. Had a little, I put it right back on when I rubbed a little chunk of mascara away. Can you tell I'm not very entertaining today? I really am down. I don't want to be, but I just feel sad. But I'm going to choose to be glad when I want to. You know, you can choose how you feel. Yes, even if you have depression, you can choose how you feel. I am going to allow myself to kind of grieve for my friends, feel sorry for them. You know, the Bible tells us to mourn with those who mourn, and that's my heart is mourning for people who and what they're going through today. Some people are for the first time after the aftermath of Hurricane Michael, they're just because of first responders and trying to take care of people who didn't leave or get power lines up or, you know, whatever reason, people have not been allowed back in the area. Today may be the first day that a lot of people are seeing what happened to their property. And yes, we all know it's just property. The important things is when lives are saved. But it still is their home, especially for people it was like a historic home in that area. And or maybe just, you know, gone through many generations of family. And it's just, it is sad. It is hard when the home is really special to someone. To some people, it isn't. It was just a building frame that they visited occasionally, and it's just going to be a major hassle for them. For some people, it's a heart pull. It pulls at their heart what has happened to their property. And that's where I'm feeling sad today. And honestly, I'm feeling for the people who, they got to deal with this